Everybody, today we're going to be connecting our hardware wallet to MetaMask so you can access all your stuff.
And you have to be using Firefox, correct?
That's right, Mozilla Firefox. Make sure you have that downloaded. Bring it up. You go to metamask.io, click on download. You're going to come down here, install for Firefox, continue to installation, add, hit OK. It's going to load up, and you'll see it up here in the corner. Sometimes this doesn't show up, so you have to click on this little puzzle piece. There's a little wheel thing, and you click on that, and then you're able to pin.
And it pops up as extension. So you click. Go ahead and click that for them.
That's gonna,
okay. I'm sorry. Yeah.
It's gonna bring you to that, but usually it just brings a little thing down here.
Like you're downloading something.
Yeah, and then you can pin that to the bar there.
Yep, and then you'll have that little fox icon.
So the first thing you're going to do here is we're going to create a new wallet to connect our hardware wallet to. So we're going to make a new wallet. We're going to hit no thanks on this. We're going to create a new password just randomly generated to save. Make sure you save it. That's what you're going to need to access this wallet. And then it's going to ask if you want to see your seed phrase, and we don't really need to save it. This is really just a front wallet for our hardware wallet, so you can remind me of this later. Click on that, hit skip, and it got it. It'll take you through this. You basically just hit next and done. And when this pops up, click to the side, and now you're in your wallet. It's real simple. So now, here's your blank MetaMask wallet. Now you're going to go up here to this circle in the right top corner, connect hardware wallet, and whatever wallet you have, you can click on that. We're going to use this Trezor. We're hit continue, and then this screen here is going to pop up, which is where you would connect your wallet to, and we are going to put our wallet in. It's going to allow once for this session. That's what you want to do. Export. And then here you're going to enter your PIN. And that will appear on your hardware wallet. You click whatever number you see, and I'm just going to enter that right now.
And bear with us, this is not the easiest task. And the whole purpose of this is to create an extra layer of security.
After that, it will ask for if you have a secret phrase, and just leave this blank unless you already have this set up. If you don't know what this is, just hit enter.
Yep.
And skip it.
Yep.
Usually the first account here is the one you want. Just select it. Unless you know what you're doing, don't mess with any of the other stuff. And here it is. Here's your wallet.
And as you can see, we're rich. We have 0.001 ETH.
And usually down here, it will try to auto detect any other tokens in your wallet. You can click on that and hit add if you want. And that's it. That's your hardware wallet. It's set up as a add-on wallet to a general blank wallet that you've set up on MetaMask. And whenever you're done with this and you're completely done, all you have to do is come up here to your MetaMask.
Which is the little icon in the corner.
Yep. You right-click on it, and you will remove the extension, and it deletes it. And it completely gets rid of your account, your hardware wallet. And so next time you want to use your hardware wallet, you have to do all this again, and that completely removes it.
And so what is the purpose of removing that?
It's a security thing. Like if you don't want someone knowing that your wallet is on the computer, that you've used it, you can do this. You can leave it on here if you want, if you're going to be trading or if you're going to be...
Or if it's your personal laptop, you're not worried about anyone getting into it.
Absolutely.
But to play it safe, we recommend going ahead and wiping it every single time, because you never know if you have a crazy ex-girlfriend or a crazy girlfriend or a greedy relative, or, the list goes on and on.
And that's it. That's all you need to know.
All right. Well, hey, y'all, if you would like to learn more about MetaMask, Pulsechain, PulseX, and Hex, please give us a follow at PLS Savior. We are on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. We're looking forward to seeing you next time.